Welcome back, guys. Today we will start from circuit analysis. Let's begin with the basics. Here we need to understand some terms to explain some important concepts which we will use in the future. We use these terms to define the type for our elements, active and passive. These terms define whether the element will absorb the power or will deliver some. Passive means to absorb power and active means to deliver. These terms are used to determine in which quadrant does the waveform lies in. If the waveform is present in first and third quadrant, the element is passive. If the waveform is present in second and fourth quadrant, it is an active element. But in the case of a chargeable battery, if we flow the current where the current enters its positive terminal, the battery gets charged and the waveform lies in this first quadrant. Now, if we flow current out of the positive terminal, the battery gets discharged and the waveform is plotted in the second quadrant. An element for which the plot lies in both active and passive quadrants will be precisely called as an active as well as passive element. But if you don't have such options to say, then you can state this element as an active component. Here are some riddles for you to solve. The first 10 students to solve them correctly and posting answers in the comment will get shout out in the next video along with the solution. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe this channel and press bell icon so that you will get updated to our next upcoming videos.